Hello everyone, and welcome back. Just trying to shovel this snow that's drifted up so high. I haven't been inside the barn future workshop for, I don't know, 6 weeks anyway. I can see that the roof is fine on this side, and I'm sure it's fine on the other side, but just want to get in there and make sure that it's doing okay with all the snow load, since winter does not want to end. Seems to be doing pretty good in here. I'm sure this, not center wall, but that wall right there helps hold up these long trusses. I'll be pretty excited to get in here in the spring or summer and partition that front part off into a workshop. Everything seems, with this winter lasting so long, it just seems like everything's dragging. The snow out this back door here is waist deep, at least waist deep. Right there where that little hump is, that's above my waist, so all that tall grass really kind of puffs it up, but that's a lot of snow. Okay everyone, well, short little video. I've been wanting to get in here for a couple of weeks now, so today was the day. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.